together as a team and just becoming and growing stronger as
Honestly,
friends.
my favorite part is the food.
Wait, can we eat?
Yes. No.
Oh, I'm going to.
Whoa!
That scared me.
Stop doing that! I'm a fragile little bean. Stop. Yeah, Falcon my butt.
I love the part when
We
you
get
hit the ball.
to eat.
I love the part when
love
I
the
get
part
to see
where the
my
ball
dear
goes
friend
in the
Sam
glove.
Segreto every day.
I love the part when
I love seeing Sam.
Don't show this in
Sam's
class.
my
I will kill you.
favorite.
How many touchdowns do you guys score?
Now let me eat,
Sam,
okay?
the part when
Touchdown, Dolphins! Woo!
Goal!
Actually, my favorite part about this is that if you stand approximately right here, you can still see into the baseball field.
Oh, and sometimes the balls will roll in from there, and then we get to keep them in church.
We like balls.
special shout out to my girl Chrissy Cruz. You're my bae. I love you. Catch me at Coffee Talk.